Ain't it funny how love hits you when you least expect it to? Anytime, any place, it can come right out of the blue. I thought it was only made for movie screens. Then you came along and you changed everything. Just one look into your eyes and I knew I was gonna spend my life with you. I promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I'll love you forever and ever and always. From this day on, I will be everything that you need. I won't let anyone or anything come between you and me. This love we got is deeper than oceans. My heart is yours and you know this. I'll follow you where you're going.
Bayan, naiiyak na ako agad.
Just one look into your eyes and I knew I was gonna spend my life with you.
Hey baby, after 5 years, dami natin pinagdaanan. Wala na akong ibang hinihiling pa, kundi makasama ka habang buhay. Mahal, will you marry me?
Yes.
Hold me close, don't let me go. 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 I promise I'm yours.
Finally, nandito na tayo. Dumating na yung araw. Tagal ko hinihintay ito.
Kasi parang alam ko naman na na darating yung ganong time. Kaso, iba pa rin talaga pala pag pag ginawa na sa'yo and alam mong mahal ka talaga ng taong naiiyak mo naman ako.
Sobrang dami na po kasi namin pinagdaanan. Parang kung ano yung simula, kung ano yung nararamdaman namin, kung paano kami nung simula pa lang kami, sobrang pareho kung paano kami ngayon. So, doon ko na-realize na ano pang hinihintay ko, no?
For life.
Ito na talaga yun, eh. Ito na yung hinahanap ko.
Don't take your hand tonight. We could just slow down.